Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, I got the Deco Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi system from TP-Link. That's right, the AC1200 Deco M4. It's a 3-point Wi-Fi mesh system for whenever you have dead zones in the house. And TP-Link has been voted the top #1 for satisfaction guaranteed. As you can see here, has a 2-year warranty. It has an app. Here's the whole home mesh, as you can see on the display there on the picture. It's fast mesh Wi-Fi for your whole home. Wi-Fi dead zone killer. Eliminate weak signal areas with whole home Wi-Fi. No more searching around for a stable connection. It keeps it fast. No more buffering. Seamless roaming with one Wi-Fi name. Parental controls and simple Wi-Fi controls. Let's get with the unboxing and see what it brings. Put that to the side. And here it is, guys. Here's the first one. As you can see, here's your ports. And here's the DC. Well, you could barely see it, but here's the DC where you connect the DC adapter. And then here would be your serial numbers. Oh yeah, and these are the rubber feet. And this would be the first adapter, your regular DC adapter. Here's the second mesh point. Same thing, DC adapter, to Ethernet ports. Another AC adapter. Here's the instructional booklet. Tells you to get the app there. It even has a barcode scanner. It's like a quick start guide. And here you get like a flat, wow, this is pretty cool. A very flat Ethernet cable. Probably category 5E or category 6E or something. One of those two. I don't think we're going to get category 7 yet coming in these packages. Let's seen category 7 at Best Buy, but you know, it is what it is. Here's the third mesh point with the Wi-Fi, with the Ethernet ports, and there's the adapter plug back there. And by the way, these things don't weigh much. And last but not least, the last power adapter. And well guys, that's about wraps it up. You saw what's in the unboxing. Always remember guys to tune in next time. And always remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to always see all the new things I unbox and all my new episodes and my new songs that I make and my new albums. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.